Hey there! Wow, what a beautiful day. So lucky to be out here today. There's a bird up there. Today we're going to be talking about nature, all right? Why nature is good. Also, why you should get out of the house every once in a while. Come on, let's go check it out. Let's walk over this little bit of water, see what else we can find. Ooh. Getting my socks all dirty. Hey again. Check out this river we found. That's pretty neat. Let's go see if we can find some nature in it. Holy guacamole. We just found some nature. Come down here and I'll show you. Hey there. We just found some nature. You can't find this in your house now, can you? What a neat find. That's what you call part of an animal right there. Wow. We're gonna put that back, because in nature, we want to leave it better than we left it. So, if we find any trash, we're gonna pick it up. Alright. Come on to the next spot. Haha, just kidding. Nature alert here. Wow, that's a really neat find. That's part of an animal, you know? A crayfish. Look at that. It's a little claw. Wow, nature can really be fun. Wow, look at all this nature in here. You can't find this in your house now, can you? That's what you call algae. Yeah. Check this. This is what you call trash. We should take this with us so we can leave it better than we found it. Come on, let's go to the next spot. Let's go over on this little sandbar and see what we can find. Nature alert. Got a little clam here. Yeah, he's long gone, but pretty neat, you know. What a, oh, first-hand nature. And a little wormy right there. See, this is his home up here. Wow. What a find. That's a great find for nature. Can't find that playing Minecraft now, can you? Let's go put his home back. This is a great find right here. We got a little swamp area. Let's go check it out. That's some sweet nature. Wow. Here in nature, you can breathe in some fresh air. Wow. See? People may say, hey, I can play Minecraft. You know, there's nature there, you can go outside. No, this isn't the same. Let's travel up the river just a little bit. See what else of some nature we can find. We're gonna go this way, right here. I'll meet you there. You beat me here. Wow. Let's go see if we can find some first-hand nature. Nature report, nature report, nature report. See this water right here? That's called a river. And you can tell it's a river because there's water and it's moving. That's how you know it's a river. A lake is just sitting water. Wow. Let's go check it out. Nature report. This is called driftwood. You can tell it's driftwood because it was in the river. Look at this nature on the side here. That's called algae. That's alive too. We're gonna put that back in the river. All right, let's go down more. Those are called flowers. You can tell they're flowers because they smell good and they look pretty. Wow, you can't find that in your basement playing Minecraft. Now can ya? I got a great find to show you. At first glance, you think nothing much, but these are from a beaver. Wow. He was making his little home. Isn't that funny? All right, we'll put it back in nature. Wonder what's over there. Let's go check it out. Wow. Check out these trees. The difference between trees and regular twigs, our trees are much bigger. So next time, you'll know. Some pastimes you can do in nature is kind of do what I'm doing. Just kind of take walks, look at stuff, find things animals do, and maybe find an animal or two. Also, you can do stuff like fishing. That's also pretty fun. If you do not like the sight of dead animals, please look away. That's what you call nature firsthand. Come on, let's go find some more. Can you see those natures in there? Probably not. There were some little fish. Hey guys, here in nature, you gotta be able to protect yourself because there's things out here that want to hurt you. What I have going on right now, I'll show you what my feet situation looks like. That's for poison ivy. You don't want that. Some nature's bad, but it's good. Let's go see if we can find some animals, how about? Hey there again. Here's a fun trick you can show your friends. nature can make noise. Hey guys, guess what I just found? Nature. Pretty neat find. Hey guys, I found some neat nature down here. Let's go check it out. That's called a log, or a tree trunk. And even though it's dead, look how much nature is living on it. Let's get a closer look. Wow, what a great find. This is great. I'm already feeling more relaxed. Nature, firsthand, alert. Those are what you call animal tracks. Wow, to think of an animal walking in the same place as I am. What a neat find. Let's go over here, see what we can find. Hey again. Sometimes in nature you find stuff you don't even know what happened. That's what I'll show you right here. Stay tuned. Can you see those trees back there with all the white at the bottom of the trunk? You know, that could be from an animal or other, you know, nature things. We just don't know, and that's part of the fun. I'll see you later. I'm gonna head back now. Have a wonderful time in nature, everyone.